So you guys might have noticed Palantir stock is up around 38% in the past month. That's pretty crazy, right? So I want to talk to you guys about why this is happening, why the stock went from $7 to now almost $12 in a very short amount of time. First off, they're starting to become profitable on a GAAP basis, which is absolutely massive, guys. Once a company starts becoming profitable, right, on a more consistent basis, that's when a lot of big money starts to come in. This is big. Funds, the hedge funds, the big boys, they typically wait until a company is, profitable, or they're right on the cusp of being consistently profitable, and that's where Palantir is right now. So I feel like, there's a lot of money flooding into this stock, and after they reported earnings, guys, I'm not sure if you saw about a week ago, a little over a week ago, the stock went up 30% after the bell, right? It was at $7.80 or something like that, then it shot all the way to $10 like that after the bell. That, in my opinion, was a short squeeze. We're seeing a lot of shorts starting to cover now because they're anticipating the big money coming in, and they're starting to panic. They're like, holy crap, we have to cover our shorts, and interest rates are going up. You guys know that. That's a whole different topic. So they're getting hit on that, the interest on the margin that they have. So they're covering, they're panicking because big money's coming in. That's what I think's going on, and that could send the stock up even higher.